Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to today's session. In this session, we'll discuss coded inequalities. Okay, in previous session we discussed direct inequalities and combined form. So in this session, we'll discuss remaining coded inequalities. Okay, let me start today's session. While doing coded inequalities, write the codes in tabular form. It avoids wasting of time and confusion. Okay. First question. In the following questions, the symbols at hash, percentage, star and dollar are used with the following meanings as illustrated below. R at means R is not smaller than. Okay. It means smaller than. R is not smaller than, that is greater than or equals to. I am writing in tabular form. At is equals to greater than or equals to. And R hash S means R is not greater than S. That is hash. Not greater than means less than or equals to. Remaining two. Then R percentile means R percentile S means R is neither greater than nor equals to. That is less than. R star S means R neither smaller nor greater than. That is equals to. Neither greater than nor smaller than means remaining equals to. R dollar S means R is neither smaller than nor equals to. That is greater than. Okay. While writing like this, we can avoid confusion and wasting of time. Let me start question. Statement. This is statement and conclusion. N percentile I. Percentile means less than. I hash G. Hash means less than or equals to. G star M. G star equals to M. And M star A. Star equals to E. M dollar I. Dollar is nothing but greater than. And here also M greater than N. Okay. Then conclusions. M equals to I. So, N less than I less than or equals to G equals to M. M equals to I. M is here. I is here. So, we can write I less than or equals to G equals to M. Okay. From this statement we can write I less than or equals to M. That is M greater than or equals to I. So, from conclusion 1, M equals to I true from this conclusion. And M greater than I, that is also true from this conclusion. If we mix up these two complementary pair, we can conclude M greater than as I. That is either 1 or 2. And third one, M greater than N. So, N is here, M is here. Less than. So, common symbol is less than. So, we can conclude M greater than M. Okay. So, finally, M greater than N is also true. So, for this question, either 1 or 2 and 3 is true for this question. Next question, this is statement Q hash M. So, we are converting symbols. Hash means less than or equals to. It means greater than or equals to. Dollar greater than. And conclusions, percentile means less than. Dollar means greater than. And it means greater than or equals to. Okay. So, Q less than G from first conclusion. Q less than or equals to M. M less than or equals to K. K less than G. Okay. So, we can conclude Q less than G. All are common symbol is less than only. So, first conclusion right. For second conclusion, G greater than M. So to answer this, we should consider these two statements. K, G greater than K greater than or equals to M. So from this we can conclude G greater than M. This is also true. And next one, M greater than or equals to Q. That is direct in statement Q less than or equals to M is given. We can write it as M greater than or equals to Q. So all conclusions are true for this question. Next question, Y star W, that is Y equals to W. W at S, that is Y W greater than or equals to S. S percentile U, that is S less than U. This is statement. And conclusions are Y star U, that is Y equals to U. Y dollar, that is greater than U, and W greater than U. Okay. So first conclusion, Y equals to U. From this given statement, Y and U. So greater than, less than. We cannot find. So eliminated. Y greater than U. Y is here, U is here. Here also greater than, less than. No relation. W greater than U. So greater than, less than. No relation. So none is true for this question. No conclusion will not follow. Okay. Next question. T dollar P. Okay. T greater than P. P hash S. That is P less than or equals to S. S star M. S equals to M. And M star P. That is M equals to P. M percentile T. That is M less than T. And M dollar P. M greater than P. Okay. These are the coded inequalities and we are decoded. Then first conclusion, M equals to P. Here M and P. So from this we can conclude P less than or equals to M. M less than T. T is here, M is here. Greater than, less than. So this option is eliminated. No relation we cannot establish. Then M greater than P. So from this first conclusion, we can conclude M equals to P as first option, and second one is M greater than P. So either conclusion 1 or 3 is true for this question. So from given statement, we'll conclude P equals to M and M greater than P. If we mix up these two conclusions, we may answer any one of these. So either 1 or 3 is true for this question. Next question, E at W. At means greater than or equals to Z dollar greater than I hash less than or equals to. I hash less than or equals to at greater than or equals to dollar less than, dollar greater than. Okay. These are the decoded values. First conclusion, I less than or equals to Z. So we can write E greater than or equals to W, W less than Z, and I less than or equals to E. That is I less than or equals to E. This is given statement. Then I less than or equals to Z. I is here, Z is greater than, less than. No relation. Then E greater than or equals to Z. Greater than, less than. No relation. I greater than W. I, W. Less than, greater than. No relation. None is true for this question. Next question. In each of following questions, assuming the given statement to be true, find out which of the two conclusions 1 and 2 given below them are definitely true. Okay. In these questions, symbols copyright, hash, underscore, dollar and at are used with different meanings as follows. A copyright, B means A is smaller than B. Copyright means smaller than B. And A hash B means A is either smaller than or equals to. hash means A is smaller than or equals to. A underscore B means A is greater than B. Greater than B. A dollar B means A is either greater than or equals to. Dollar means A is greater than or equals to. A at B means A is neither smaller than nor greater than. That is equals to. This is given coded values. Okay. By using this we should answer questions. See this question. V hash S. Hash means less than or equals to. S copyright L. Copyright means less than. L copyright Z. That is less than J. Coming to conclusion, V copyright L. That is less than and S less than J. V less than L. Okay. Less than, less than, less than. So, conclusion 1 follow. V less than L. And S less than J. S less than J. This is also true. Less than 2 are common. So, both conclusions are true for this question. Next question. M hash R. That is less than or equals to. R copyright Z. Less than. J hash H. Less than or equals to. M hash H. Less than or equals to. R copyright H. That is less. First conclusion. M less than or equals to H. That is M less than or equals to R. R less than J. J less than or equals to H. In these three, common is less than. If it is M less than H, the conclusion is true. But here M less than or equals to H. So conclusion is wrong. R less than H. R is here, H is here. Common is less than. So only conclusion 2 is true for this question. Next question. H dollar F. Okay. H greater than or equals to F. F at G. At equals to equals. G underscore M. Underscore means greater than. Greater than. Greater than. Okay. Coming to first conclusion. H greater than M. From this H greater than or equals to F equals to G. G greater than M. So H greater than M. Conclusion 1 is true. And H greater than G. Okay. H greater than or equals to F equals to G. And G greater than M. So H greater than or equals to G is true. But here H greater than G. So conclusion 2 will not follow. Only conclusion 1 is true for this question. See this question. R copyright J. Copyright means less than. J underscore greater than. T hash less than or equals to. 8 equals to equals to. So R equals to T. First conclusion. So R less than J. J greater than T. T less than or equals to L. So between R and T, greater than, less than. Sorry, less than, greater than. No relation can find. Here J equals to L. J is here, L is here. Greater than, less than. No relation. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 is true for this question. Next question. W at T equals to T. T $K greater than or equals to K underscore F greater than F. W $K greater than or equals to W at K. That is W equals to K. Okay. Coming to first conclusion. W greater than or equals to K. That is W equals to T. T greater than or equals to K. So W greater than or equals to K is true. And W equals to K. W greater than or equals to K is true. But W is equals to K is not true. So only conclusion 1 is true for this question. Next question. In the following questions, the symbols hash, dollar, percentile, star and at are used with the following meaning as illustrated below. A hash B means A is not greater than B. Okay. Hash means A is not greater than, that is less than or equals to. A dollar B means A is neither smaller nor equals to. Dollar means A is neither smaller nor equals to B, that is greater than. then A percentile B means A is neither smaller nor greater than. Percentile, that is equals to. A star B is A is neither greater nor equal, that is less than star. And A at B means A is not smaller than B, that is greater than or equals to. This is the coded values. Let me see questions based on these coded values. First question, A hash B. Hash means less than or equals to. B percentile C, that is equals to. C star D, that is less than. C at A greater than or equals to. A hash D, that is less than or equals to. From the given statement, A less than or equals to B equals to C less than D. That is first conclusion, C greater than or equals to A. From this we can conclude A less than or equals to C. So directly we can write it as C greater than or equals to A. Then second conclusion, A less than or equals to D. Here we can conclude A less than D as correct. But here A less than or equals to D. So conclusion 2 will not follow. Only conclusion 1 is true for this question. Next question. P dollar Q. Dollar means greater than. Q at S, that is greater than or equals to. S percentile S equals to. P at R greater than or equals to. Dollar is greater than. Coming to first conclusion, P greater than equals to R. Here P greater than Q greater than or equals to S equals to R. S equals to R means we can write R here. So P greater than R is true, but P greater than R equals to R. So it is wrong. Then R greater than Q. Q greater than R equals to S equals to R. So here we can write Q greater than R. Q greater than R equals to R, but not greater than. So both conclusion will not follow the statement. So neither conclusion 1 nor 2 is true for this question. Next question, G hat H. H means greater than. H dollar, that is greater than. G J percentile K, that is equals to. Star means less than, less than. Okay. From first conclusion, K less than J, G. So G greater than or equals to H greater than J, J equals to K. From this, K less than G. Okay. If we write in place of J, K. So G greater than K. So K less than G. This is right. And J less than G. Okay. G is here, J is here. From this we can write G greater than K, J. So directly J less than G. This is also right. Both 1 and 2 conclusions are true for this question. See this question. N at M greater than or equals to dollar greater than hash less than or equals to hash less than or equals to star less than. Okay. For first conclusion, T less than or equals to N. N is here, T is here. So between these two, greater than and less than or equals. So conclusion 1 will not follow. And next one, P less than N. P is here, N is here. From this we can write N greater than P. So then P less than N. Conclusion 2 is true for this question. Next question. In the following questions, the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and equals to are used with the following meanings. A greater than B means A is neither smaller nor greater than. A greater than B means A is neither smaller nor greater than. That is equals to. Greater than means equals to. A less than B means A is neither smaller than nor equals to B. That is greater than. A greater than or equals to B means A is not greater than B. Greater than or equals to means less than or equals to. A less than or equals to B means A is not smaller than B. Less than or equals to B means greater than or equals to. A is equals to B means A is neither greater than nor equals to. That is less than. Okay, this is little bit confusion. Let me see questions on this. L less than G, that is L greater than G. A less than D, L, A greater than D. G greater than D, that is equals to. N greater than A, equals to. Equals to means less than, equals to means less than. Okay, so first conclusion, we'll write statement. L greater than G equals to D less than A equals to N. This is given statement. Conclusions are D equals to L. D is here, L is here. L greater than D is right. That is D less than L. Okay, conclusion 1 is true. Then L less than A. L is here, A is here. Greater than, less than. No relation found. Only conclusion 1 is true for this question. Next question. Z equals to A. Z less than A less than B. That is A greater than B. B greater than P. That is equals to, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. By this we can write Z less than A greater than B equals to P less than or greater than or equals to T. Okay. So P equals to A, that is P less than A. Z less than or equals to A. Z greater than or equals to A. Coming to first conclusion, P less than A. P is here, A is here. So A greater than P. So P less than A. Conclusion 1 correct. And Z greater than or equals to A. Z is here, A is here. Z less than A is right, but Z greater than or equals to A is not correct. So only conclusion 1 is true for this question. Next question. K greater than or equals to T, that is less than or equals to T, and V equals to Y. K less than C, V equals to Y, V less than Y. K less than C, K greater than C. T less than or equals to Y, that is greater than or equals to Y. T greater than or equals to Y, and V less than Y, that is Y greater than V. And K greater than C, that is C less than K. This is given statement. Conclusions are T greater than C. Greater than means T equals to C. Less than means greater than C. Sorry, greater than V. Coming to first conclusion, T equals to C. C is here, T is here. So in this common is less than. So equals to is not correct. So option 1 is wrong. And T greater than V. T is here, V is here. So greater than is common. Conclude only conclusion 2 is true for this question. Okay everyone, this is our today's session. Practice more and more questions. You will better at coded inequalities. In case of coded inequalities, you should be read carefully and decode them properly. Use the tabular form for coded inequalities, which will help you to solve in less time. From this inequalities chapter, we have a chance to get 5 questions from reasoning part for any competitive exam. So, be practice. Thank you for watching. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe my channel SCS VAJRA Tutorials and like the video if you like and share with your friends.